Hello. Today I would like to tell you how to write and pronounce different parts of the day, year or week in Russian. So let's begin. If we want to say morning, then you can say утро. Then noon is полдень, which literally means half of the day. Daytime is день. Also, I think I can write it in printing letters too, so I can show you how to write in printing letters. So, for example, утро is утро, полдень, I usually don't use them for writing, so for me it's also a bit tricky. Полдень, день. So you see день and день, but here we have pol, so it's half, and this is день, day. День. What we have then? Evening. Вечер. Вечер, correct. Night. Ночь. Well, of course, I always start writing like writing letters, and I try, but maybe in a book it still will be a little bit different. I have a very strong habit to write with writing letters, not with printing. So midnight is полночь. So like here we had полдень, so half of the day, and here half of the night, despite it's not actually half, but still полночь. Let's make now, for example, like this, week. Неделя. Неделя. Month. Месяц. Месяц. Then what else we have? Год. Oh, sorry, year. Year is год. Год. And for example, parts of the year: spring, весна, весна, summer, лето, лето, autumn. Autumn, I hope I wrote it correct. Осень, And winter, зима, зима, oh, it's so tricky for me. Yeah, like that. I always confuse it with the English an. Zima. Then what else we have? Month. Oh, let it be first days of the week. Monday is понедельник. So we, as I understand, we don't have these planet names of the days, but I don't know. I don't know what does it mean. I think it's something from ancient Russian, so I probably checked and write later. По не Oh no, I don't have space. Понедельник. Tuesday. Tuesday. Вторник. 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 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. Среда. Well, среда, I think it's something from the word middle, because middle in Russian is середина, so I think it's about middle. Or also this letter can be like this, so it can be sharp or like this. Среда. And yeah, for books it's mostly like that, then like that. I forgot it, I'm sorry. I mean, when you read, you automatically recognize it, but when you write, I always write this way, and it's very difficult for me to tell you the truth. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, четверг. This one, I guess, from word 4, which is 4. So it's четверг. And Friday. Пятница. 5 is 5, so I think it's about the 5th day of the week. Пятница. Saturday. Суббота. Суббота. And Sunday. Also, our week starts not from Sunday, but from Monday. So Sunday is the last day of the week. I mean, if we're talking about the calendar, so we usually start the week from Monday, and the last day is Sunday. Воскресенье. Воскресенье, that means when Jesus got alive. So he was murdered on Friday, and on Sunday he turned alive, and that means воскресенье, but with и воскресенье, and this is like, I don't know, older or shorter version, so воскресенье. Воскресенье. And then I think we can go with month. January. They are actually pretty similar to English. Январь. 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 Февраль. Февраль. And here Fevral. Then March. Mart. Mart. April. Апрель. Of course, we have like big letter and small letters here. I don't know why, for some reason I write this one with small letters and these like caps, but actually, for example, this A would be like that, and so on. But in Russian, we usually don't have such thing that we write days, names, or month, day from big letter, so we usually use small letter. May, but okay, I can do it the same way. So May, and here then it would be May, June, June. I really never thought that we really have two types of letters and they are actually automatically understandable for us, but now it breaks my mind. You, yeah. Then July, июль, EU, and L. By the way, L is like this, mostly not like this in books. July. So it's possible too, but in books it's usually like this. So yeah, you actually can write D like this and L like this. Where is it? But in books it's gonna be like this or like this. August. 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 Mostly printing letters are quite similar. I mean, the big one to small one, so probably that's why I decided to write it like that. So they are just usually small versions of the bigger one. So September, сентябрь, сентябрь, then October, октябрь, октябрь. Oh, and for some reason I started again write it like that, but actually it would be the same. Yeah, the same. So just with bigger O or with bigger S. October, November, Noyabr, sorry. Yes, ноябрь. December. Декабрь. So that's it. I think for today that's enough, and I didn't expect that it's gonna break my mind so much with this like printing letters, but it's how it is now. I really feel how much work I made in the elementary school when they taught us, or no, yeah, when they taught us this writing alphabet and this is printing alphabet, because now for me it's just like it is, and then I don't think about it in my everyday life, but they are really different. So I think they can be recognized, probably. Don't know how for foreigners, but still, yeah, it's pretty tricky. So you can see that even for me, this changing of letters is pretty tricky. So if you will learn something like that, that's really cool. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that was interesting for you, and пока-пока.